Good. Now go up the ladder and bring the hammer. Not this one, but the yellow one. This one? Yeah. Alright. I'll find some a couple more.
What's going on, Ev?
Trying to build a tree fort.
Yeah. How's it going?
Good.
It's going good. Looks kind of flimsy. You sure it'll hold you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. One could be at the bottom, one could be at the top.
That's cool.
That's cool. I thought we could sleep in it too. That's cool.
You sure you could sleep in it without falling?
At the bottom we can.
Oh, at the bottom. So you're building the bottom half.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's what I said. Don't copy me, Jimmy.
I'm not copying you.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Just shut up.
Jump.
No.
Please, just jump. Off.
No.
It'll be cool.
Die.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I will. Die. Oh, no.
No, you won't. He's 2 feet off the ground. Okay, jump.
No.
Just from right there.
Oh, drop the wheel. Oh, you get it again. Get away from me, Owlet.
What'd I do?
Now, Russell. No, Owlet.
What'd I do?
Get out of here.
What's wrong?
You almost made me fall.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Nuh-uh.
You pushed the ladder a little bit. Yep.
You want the ball? Do you want the ball? Charlie! Go get the ball! Charlie! Bless you. That was a big sneeze. Go get the ball. You want the ball, Charlie? You want the ball? Go get the ball.